Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss the VersiFlex Expander Cartridge. When working with the VersiFlex decorating system, one key difference is that the traditional black ink has been replaced by an expander cartridge. This expander cartridge is crucial in the transfer process of your VersiFlex projects and works alongside VersiFlex paper to allow for the transfer of designs onto natural fabrics and uncoated hard materials. The expander will only be used when choosing VersiFlex-specific products from the product selection menu within Sawgrass print utility. When using traditional sublimation materials, the expander cartridge will not be used. Please remember you can always check the levels of your expander cartridge along with the other ink colors underneath the devices page here with Sawgrass print utility. That's all for today. See you next time.